For all the latest updates, subscribe to Newsline.
25 US Congress members have urged President Donald Trump to take decisive action against Chinese app TikTok to protect the American people's privacy and safety. Members of the Congress have expressed concerns over TikTok's censorship of user content to advance the Chinese Communist Party's foreign policy aims. In a letter to the US President, they pointed out that India took the extraordinary step of banning several Chinese-affiliated mobile apps, including TikTok, due to national security concerns. The letter said that the CCP's systematic campaign to collect and illicitly transmit user data for the Chinese government's purposes is not unique to Indian customers. It is clear that the United States should not trust TikTok or any other Chinese-affiliated social media websites or apps to protect Americans' data, privacy, and security. As such, we urge you to take strong action to stop the CCP's sophisticated espionage campaign against our country and protect our national security. China's cybersecurity laws require all companies operating in China, including TikTok's parent company, ByteDance, to share user data with CCP authorities. They also pointed out that TikTok's privacy policy for US residents is upfront about the vast quantity of user data it collects and shares with the CCP. Furthermore, the letter stated that TikTok's censorship of user content to advance the CCP's foreign policy aims is deeply concerning. Leaked documents detail instructions to ban videos on the app that mention Tiananmen Square, Tibetan independence, or ban religious groups, the letter said. ByteDance is also required under Chinese law to provide seats on the company's board of directors to CCP officials. US congressmen claim that this further cemented the authoritarian government's role in setting these policies. India recently banned 59 Chinese apps, including TikTok, claiming that it had received many complaints from various sources about the misuse of these apps. The 59 Chinese apps banned by the government have now been taken down from Google Play Store and App Store in India. TikTok app has gone offline and stopped working completely for users in India. The Ministry of Home Affairs said that the apps were used to steal and transmit users' data in an unauthorized manner to servers located outside India. ByteDance denies it, shares data with the Chinese government, and is distancing itself from its roots in the communist nation. TikTok's parent company ByteDance is reportedly planning to bring changes aimed at distancing the social networking service from China. A US Senate committee is likely to vote next week on a bill that would ban federal employees from using social media app TikTok on government-issued devices. The White House indicated on Wednesday that a decision on Chinese mobile applications, including TikTok, could be taken within weeks and not months.